Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to put pictures on a TikTok comment. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated, okay? Go ahead and find TikTok, use the search function right here and go to the top, use the search bar, type in TikTok, search. If there's an update button, just go to tap on it, wait for the process to finish, and once done, go ahead and open it up, okay? Now, go ahead and find a post where you wanted to add a photo comment, okay? For example, this one. Tap on the comment section. As you can see here, we have the photo option, okay? Tap on it and it will open up your phone's gallery. And here, basically select the picture that you wanted to add as a photo comment, all right? For example, maybe this one right here, okay? As you can see, it is now added. You can go ahead and add in some more, maybe add an emoji or words, okay? Just like so. Then, once done, just tap on send. There you have it. That's how easy it is to put pictures on a TikTok comment. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.